M&J Chickens began in a shop in the Wiley Park Shopping Centre in King George's Road, just up from the Wiley Park station. The shop at number 83 is still there, although no longer owned by M&J Chickens.
We bought the shop in 1982. It was a mixed business, delicatessen, sandwiches. So it wasn't what we wanted it to be. My father was in the chicken business in Rockdale, and he said that, you know, why don't you put fresh chickens in there? So we did. And after that, it just took off.
Minna and Jenny's vision was to have a business that processed whole chickens and poultry into pieces for the wholesale and retail market. The idea came from Jenny's father Harry, who taught Minna how to process chickens.
We found we were starting to serve restaurants and things. It wasn't big enough, so we decided to move to Marrickville. We found a factory in Marrickville, and it all started from there.
After Wiley Park, we came to number 31. I bought the number 31 from frozen food distributor, Peter Miletis. And we turned it from a frozen food distributor, make a bit of a fixing, and a chicken shop, a chicken wholesale factory.
Yeah. One thing I remember is the cool room. We thought, oh my goodness, after being at Wiley Park, what were we going to put in this massive cool room? And we were thinking about only using half of it, but then it just took off and built, and we ran out of room soon after that, so we had to buy next door. So yeah, it was unbelievable. Oh.
Yeah, we put in number 29 next door from 31. In the next year and a half to 2 years, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. In 2 years' time, the factory wasn't big enough.
As M&J Chickens grew, they bought adjacent properties in Sloane Street to expand their processing and cooking facilities. In 2000, they made their first move interstate when they opened an office in Brisbane. Melbourne was added in 2004 and Townsville a year later. Adelaide in 2010 and Perth in 2012.
The next thing is more value-add products, which is the market going that way, more cooked products. And we now our products that not exist in the rest of the world, we probably export. And some good markets like American market and Japan and Singapore, all these, and yeah, we probably...
Middle East,
yeah. That's the next plan.
He's going to conquer the world. He always said it, so there you go.